quick video here. I had to pick up a little sander, or a tabletop sander. I've gone through a couple of them. I beat them up. Don't take care of them, but at any rate, I found this Amazon, about 160 bucks. Bucktool. A little 6-inch disc, 36 4-inch wide belt. But anyways, this looks nice. It's all steel housing. Comes with a couple of these little tables on the side. Little table here. A little miter. Easy, puts together easy, ship nice. You know, no complaints. This thing will lay down. Get this down. It's got a little set screw. Yeah. Little set screw there. Crank it. Table lays down. Give you a little kickstand you put on. Port for, oh, we have dust collector. One there, one this side. So anyways, this thing's well built. Much better than what I've gotten at the other stores. They usually have plastic housing, plastic parts. This thing's all steel. So, we'll see what it does over the years. I'll definitely put it to the use. I like the fact that I'll be able to hit some curves with this. What's it say? I got a 5 amp. That's 5 amp motor. 6-inch, 4x36. So Bucktool. I'll put it through the riggers. Yeah, I like it. Just thought I'd share this. If you've got one, let me know how they work. If you had any troubles. But I will definitely get my 160 bucks out of it. I'm happy. Thanks. See ya.